Good morning, student. Once again, I am here to take your science class. Previous class, I have explained about the plants. Now, I am once again here with some other interesting topics. Continuing the second chapter, now our next topic is function and special functions of the root. Now the topic is functions of the root. First, I am going to read the topics. Root is an important part of a plant. It helps the plant to absorb water and minerals from the soil. It holds the plant upright in the soil. Thus, absorption and fixation are the two main functions of roots. In some plants, roots perform a few special functions. As we know, root is an important part of the plant. And here we have seen absorption and fixation are the two main functions of the root. Now the question is, what is absorption? It means that roots take in water and mineral from the soil. Water and mineral is used by plant for making the food. So absorption of water and mineral of the root from the soil is called absorption. Understood? Now the second word is fixation. What is fixation? As we know, root fixes the plant in the soil and keep them erect. Erect means here straight. Such function is called fixation. Apart from these two functions, root also perform some other function. First, I am going to read this one. Plants like radish, carrot and beetroot have thick roots which store food for the plant. Some such roots are eaten by man and animal. Such roots are called edible roots. So you can say that roots of the plants also store the food. This is called storage of food. Some plants store food in their roots. We eat such roots and such roots are called edible roots. So once again, in another way, we can say that those roots which store food and is used as food are called edible roots. Example of such roots are radish, beetroot, turnip. Here in the corner, you are saying, do you know? And it's written here, edible roots like carrot, radish, beetroot are delicious and nutritious and add variety to the diet. So, this is the definition of edible root, and I think all of you have understood these topics. Next is, in some plants, roots provide extra support to the plant. For example, the branches of a banyan tree get extra support with the help of special roots that grow downwards from the branches. Similarly, some plants like maize have thin and long stems which require extra support to keep them erect. Such plants have roots arising from the base of their stem that help to support the plants. So, you can understand this in this way. Sometimes plants are very big. They need extra support. Only one single root under soil system is not enough to provide the support. So, some special roots grow downwards from the branches and support the plant. Example is banyan tree. You have seen in banyan tree, so many roots develop from the branches and go downwards to support the heavy tree. In mangrove plants, roots do not get sufficient oxygen in the marshy area. In such plants, some breathing roots come out of the soil to get fresh air from the atmosphere. Such roots found in banyan, maize and mangrove plants are called aerial roots. Sometimes roots of the plant do not get sufficient oxygen, means what is needed for the plant. Some breathing roots come out of the soil to get fresh air from the atmosphere. They are called aerial roots. There is a lacking of oxygen in marshy area, so roots come out from the soil to get the fresh air from the atmosphere. In this way, these all are the special functions of the root, that is storage of food, supporting of plants, and it also helps in breathing of plants. So roots perform different types of function. Now the keywords, some keywords are given here. First one is atmosphere. It means the air which is surrounding the earth is called atmosphere. Erect, upright, straight, it is the meaning of erect. And germinate, to grow, a sprout is called germinate. And tepose means narrows and gets directed towards a point is called tepose. All of you will learn the keywords and try to write 3 times every keywords. I think all of you have understood the chapters thoroughly. Now it is the assignment time. I am giving you some assignment. You will read the chapter once or 2 times and then complete the assignment. Now your first question is fill in the blanks. You read the chapter and try to fill it. Your first is dash is the underground part of a plant. Second one, roots absorb dash and dash for the plant. Third one, neem and people have dash roots. Fourth one, dash and dash are edible roots. It means you have to give the example of edible roots. Fifth one, mangrove plants have dash roots. Now the question B is write true or false for the following statements. Which statement is true? You have to write here true, and the other statements which is false, you have to write here false. The question is first one, carrot and beetroot store food in them. Second one, beans and rose have fibrous roots. Third one, all roots are edible. Fourth one, roots do not get sufficient oxygen in marshy areas. Now the next question, C. Tick the correct options. So many answers are given here. Only one answer is correct and you have to tick the correct answer. First one, the root of this plant stores food. Answer options are given here: mango, apple, banana, carrot. Only one is correct here and you have to take it. The same way, this plant has a taproot. A, banana, B, grass, C, wheat, D, rose. Which one is correct? You have to take it. Third one, these plants have breathing roots. Options are here: mangrove, apple, neem, paper. You will do question C. Now the next question. Answer the following questions in brief. Brief means you have to write the answer in 1 or 2 lines. Not a long answers you have to give. Only a short answers you have to give here. So the question is, name the 2 different types of roots. First one. Second one, give 2 examples of plants having fibrous roots. Third one, why do aerial roots need to come out of the soil? I think all of you can solve it and you will show me your answers. Thank you. Have a nice day.